So let's turn our attention now to ear anatomy. Well, to hearing and in the ear. So the anatomy of the ear is broken up into three parts. There's the external ear with the cartilage and the ear that's sticking out. Then we have the external auditory canal. So sound comes in, it's collected by the outer ear, travels through that canal, and we reach the tympanic membrane, which is our border that's going to mark the beginning of the middle ear. And in the middle ear, we have a couple bones, the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. And these bones are going to transmit that vibrations from the sound. They're going to wobble a little bit. They're going to cause each other to vibrate. And they're going to transmit that sound to the inner ear. And this is the inner ear on the right. And you can see that the inner ear has a cochlea and semicircular canals. And if we look on the right side of this picture, this shows it all blown up. So we have the middle ear here, and then finally the inner ear. So middle ear with the bones we talked about, malleus, incus, stapes. Then we have the cochlea and the semicircular canals. Then we have nerves coming out from the cochlea and the semicircular canal. And the way it works is, when we said sound is transmitted through these bones, they're going to transmit the vibrations to the cochlea. And inside the cochlea are these small little hair cells. And sound vibrations are going to cause these hair cells to vibrate. And it's the vibration of these hair cells that's going to cause impulses to be sent down your nerve to the brain. And I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. So now we're looking at the basilar membrane of the cochlea. So let me go back. So we're looking inside this thing, the snail. We're looking inside the snail. There's a basilar membrane. And sound is going to cause this basilar membrane to vibrate. And this vibration is going to be transferred to the hair cells. And when these hair cells start vibrating, then they're going to get signals down the nerve to the brain stem, and your brain's going to interpret this sound, and that's how you hear. So that's it for our introduction of hearing and the ear.